Dear viewers, our beloved Sorento Mark I generation has developed a broken air vane from the driver's side. The vanes are not moving vertically, so we have to address this. First, the tools required. You need a somehow long-hand negative screwdriver and a short-hand positive screwdriver. I acquired a second-hand airband from the breakers. It was about €15 delivered, and we're gonna install it. Attack from the driver's side, open the door, and attack with the negative screwdriver to open the cupboard door. It's held by clips only, and it is on a hinge. You'll be revealed two screws that you use the short positive screwdriver to unscrew. Unscrew the third screw at the bottom and yank the whole assembly towards the bottom to reveal a seam where you can reach the screw holding the air vent. Mount everything in reverse and wait till the end of the movie to see a bonus clips of the offender article dismantling. That's it. Stay safe and follow up.